The Calcutta High Court had set 4:15 as its deadline. We are awaiting a word from Atrija, who's on the ground outside the police headquarters in Kolkata, to hear from her whether or not the transfer of Shahjahan Sheikh from the custody of Bengal CID to CBI has happened. But in the meanwhile, let's talk about what the Prime Minister Modi said today. Just hours ago, the Prime Minister met women victims of Sandeshkhali. They had come to attend his rally, brought to Barasat by BJP leader Agnimitra Paul. The PM heard them out as they narrated their ordeal. The women victims got emotional and the Prime Minister understood their pain. Some of the victims spoke after meeting the Prime Minister.
उन्होंने आश्वास दिया है कि हम कुछ करेंगे, आप लोगों की देख रहे हैं, आश्वास दिया है। हमने उसमें आश्वस्ति में हम खुश हैं।
आश्वासन दिए उन्होंने। आपने क्या बोला, किस तरीके का अत्याचार हुआ, सारी बातें आपने बताई। और क्या बोला प्रधानमंत्री ने?
सब व्यवस्था करबे बोललो, आश्वास दिलो, সেইভাবে আমরা শুনে
आपकी बात भी सुनी।
ওদের মতো করে আমাদের ভুল পথে রাস্তায় নিয়ে গিয়ে আমাদেরকে রাস্তার মধ্যে আটকে রাখা হয় এবং আমাদের মোদিজির সাথে আমাদের দেখা করতে না দেওয়ার জন্য এই প্ল্যানটা করেছিল, সেটাই ওরা সফল হয়েছে। আমাদের সন্দেশখালীর মা বোনেরা কোনোদিন যাতে কারো সহযোগিতা না পায় সেই জন্য ওরা এই চালটা খেলেছিল আর ওরা এই চালে সফলতা হয়েছে।
আমাদের সন্দেশখালী মা বোনেদের যেসব অত্যাচার হয়েছে সমস্ত কিছুই ওনাকে বলেছি আমরা।
প্রধানমন্ত্রী কোনো আশ্বাস?
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই উনি বলেছেন আমাদের পাশে থাকবেন, সন্দেশখালীর দুর্গাদের পাশে।
আমাদের সারা রাস্তায় গাড়ি আটকানো হয়েছে, আমরা আসতে পারিনি। আমরা স্যারের সঙ্গে দেখা করতে, আমরা সন্দেশখালী থেকে এসেছি, আমরা স্যারের সঙ্গে কথা বলতে চাই। আমাদের সারা রাস্তায় আটকানো হয়েছে, আমরা 7টায় বেরিয়ে এখানে পৌঁছতে পারিনি। আমরা স্যারের সঙ্গে কথা আটকেছে, সারা রাস্তার পুলিশরা আটকেছে, প্রশাসন আটকে রেখেছে, গাড়ি আমাদেরকে আসতে দেয়নি, রুট ঘুরিয়ে দিচ্ছে, আমাদেরকে আসতে দিচ্ছে না। চাই প্রধানমন্ত্রীর সাথে।
This was the first reaction of the women victims who met the Prime Minister and then spoke to Times. Now let's go back to Atrija. Atrija, 4:15, it's 4:18 now. What are you picking up? Has the transfer happened?
No, not yet. The transfer has still not happened. We know that the Calcutta High Court had given a deadline of 4:15, but the transfer has still not happened. We are right outside the gate of the CID office, and till now, no movement. I will just pan and show you once. You can see the gate of the main gate of the Bhawani Bhawan building, and no movement as of now. The cars are still standing still. No movement as of now. No movement happening. The cars in which the CBI officers have entered Bhawani Bhavan are standing outside there. Central forces were also brought in, but till now it has been past 4:15, but no movement till now.
Any word from people who are present inside or perhaps who are in the detail of the CBI team that has gone to get the transfer? Are they expecting it anytime soon or will there be delay because a hearing is also pending in the Supreme Court?
Well, absolutely. You know, the hearing is pending in the Supreme Court, and the ED lawyers have also told the Calcutta High Court today that at 4:30, if the transfer does not happen till 4:30, at 4:30 they will be mentioning the matter once again, the matter of contempt once again. So just a couple of minutes more till 4:30 we have to wait and see. And if even till 4:30 the transfer does not happen, the ED lawyers will be filing another contempt court against the CID. Already one case was filed today in which the court has asked them to file an affidavit, but another case will be filed by the ED officers. They have given a time of
notice has already been served to the Bengal CID officials. They have about 2 weeks time to respond to it. Viewers, now in all of this, it's important to underline that the West Bengal government moved the Supreme Court challenging the Calcutta High Court's order to hand over Shahjahan Sheikh's custody to the CBI, and it's in its petition in the Supreme Court, which is a detailed one, the government says that the High Court's order was perverse, illegal and arbitrary, and that the state government had done everything it could to take action against Sheikh Shahjahan, and that it was a smooth probe so far. Atrija.
Well, absolutely. The court have identified all of that, and the court have also mentioned very clearly, that this action that was done, it is the court have mentioned the phrase hide and seek regarding the police. That the court have said the court have taken notice of the fact that police is playing hide and seek regarding this entire matter when the main accused, the prime accused Shahjahan Sheikh of Sandeshkhali, is about to be handed over. Now, it was clearly stated that not only the investigation should be transferred, but also the documents along with the main accused to be transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation, which has not happened yesterday, which is identified as a contempt of court. The state today, however, has argued in the court saying that a matter has been pending in Supreme Court and therefore the transfer has not taken place. And in reply to that, the court have very clearly said that filing a special writ petition does not mean a stay on the order that was passed previously. So definitely, a contempt of court, the matter has been filed, it has been taken notice by the court, and also the notice has been served to CID, and they are expected to file another reply in the next 2 weeks.
Okay, let's keep an eye on the developments there. Atrija, thanks for your inputs. We're taking a short break. Viewers, stay with Times Now.